You choose which products to standardize by picking items you use often, that come from reliable suppliers, and that work across multiple projects instead of just one. The goal is to reduce the number of different brands and models you keep on hand so ordering, storage, and repairs become simpler and cheaper over time. Think of it like this: if you own 5 different kinds of light switches for 5 different rooms, you now need 5 different spare parts, 5 different manuals, and 5 different learning curves every time something breaks. Standardizing means picking 1 or 2 trusted brands for switches, outlets, pipes, or fasteners, and using those same items everywhere you can. A lesson many folks never hear is that professional contractors do this constantly. They keep a short list of go-to products because it saves them time on every single job, not just cost. When you standardize, you also gain buying power. Since ordering in bulk from fewer suppliers often gets you a better price than buying small quantities from many different places, start by listing every product type you buy repeatedly, then narrow each category down to your top 1 or 2 choices based on quality, price, and availability. Once you settle on those choices, stick with them for future projects unless something changes, like the product being discontinued or a better option becoming available. One common mistake is choosing the cheapest option just to save money up front, without checking if it will hold up over years of use, so always weigh long-term durability against the initial price. Another misconception is thinking standardization means using the exact same product everywhere no matter what, but really, it means having a short, trusted list you rotate through depending on the specific job. People also forget to revisit their choices every couple of years, since better materials or lower prices can appear, so set a reminder to review your standard list once a year to make sure it still makes sense. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobBite, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.